Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
How do you find my old one? I can find. You can find my old one. I can find my new one. Hey, on another team. Mommy's not. Mommy's off our team. Ooh.
Oh, my toes.
I know that you won on our team, so like that went for you. Oh my God! God! Oh my God!
Logan. Logan. No. That was great.
That one. That's good when I'm done.
I was being sarcastic.
What does sarcastic mean?
Saying the opposite of what I mean.
You don't like it! Fine! Hey, Mommy, hold it in your hand. I can hold the bottom. Now hold it like this. I'll show you how to hold it. Hold it like this. When I tell you to let go, do it.
Hold on, pick it up.
Here. And I'm going to turn it on and do not drop it, alright?
Alright.
I'll tell you when.
Okay.
Go.
I did it.
Okay, I was not ready that time, so you're not doing that anymore.
That wasn't very nice.
Yeah, what? That's it. That was the biggest thing I ever done for you. And Mommy,
Yeah.
want to see me take off the strap and
Okay.
catch it up there and cut it off on the floor. I'm going to take off right here. Hey!